Morning guys, it is a little after 6:10. We're gonna do Forester Pass today. We slept okay, feeling a little short of breath, but that should improve eventually. I don't know what else to say. I'm still a little sore, but nothing major. Anything you want to add? All right. Oh, marmot! That's so marmot. Big fat pika. As soon as you hear the beeps of my GoPro, you just run out. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Dang, I was hoping to get a picture. See if he stays there. Can't see him. Where's he going here? Come on. Something. Well, I've seen a bunch of Sky Pilot plants, but it's all over. But I'm not really seeing much in the way of blooms. Only a little. More Sky Pilot that is more bloomed out. So that's good. On the other hand, I'm seeing clouds that I do not like. We are at over 12,100 feet now. There's just over 1,000 more feet to go. How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Me too. I can't remember if it's that one or that one. I want to say this one because that would be a son of a gun to cross. I don't remember, but I guess I will find out. I'd forgotten that this lake came so close to shore. I mean, to the trail. Beautiful. Definitely got a bit steeper here. And more dangerous. I see marmot over there. Well, I'm really struggling for breath. I don't know if I can make it, guys. I'm just kidding. I know I can make it. It just takes time. Well, I do see a few campsites down there. There are a few campsites. They don't look very big, but looks doable. Getting there, getting there. Well, the end is in sight. But will I make it before those clouds decide to make themselves something? Hopefully. I think I will. So we're about to do our final ascent. Those switchbacks right there. You'll lose sight of the top until you're basically there. But you're practically there. Well, apparently there's snow here. We are on the final switchbacks to the top. Definitely feeling the altitude in my muscles. And being winded, feeling like you're drawing in air, but not getting much oxygen.